Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are two technologies that are transforming the e-commerce industry by creating new and immersive ways of shopping online. AR and VR can enhance the customer experience, increase brand awareness, reduce costs, and boost sales. In this video, we will explain what AR and VR are, how they are used in e-commerce, and what are the benefits and challenges of implementing them. What are AR and VR? AR and VR are both forms of extended reality, which is an umbrella term for any technology that alters our perception of reality. However, they have different features and applications. VR is a fully generated digital world that supersedes your immediate external environment. You might be sitting in your living room, but while immersed in a VR headset, you can be on another planet, in a race car speeding around a track, or even at a meeting with coworkers. VR headsets have a built-in screen and use lenses to send each of your eyes a slightly different picture. There are also a number of sensors built in to track your head position. Combined, they create the impression that you are surrounded by a three-dimensional reality that allows you to look around. When you move your head, your viewpoint shifts naturally too. VR headsets are mostly used for gaming, viewing 3D videos, and other immersive applications. AR is a virtual layer added on top of the real world. Instead of being totally immersed in computer-generated digital surroundings, you mostly see the real world with a few virtual additions. These can be anything from pop-up notifications and directions to where you're going to an icon displaying the speed you're skiing at, or instructions on how to service an engine. AR devices, such as the Microsoft HoloLens, the original Google Glass, and various enterprise-level smart glasses, are transparent, letting you see everything in front of you as if you are wearing a pair of clear glasses. The technology is designed for free movement while projecting images over whatever you look at. AR devices are mostly used for commercial purposes, such as training, education, and productivity. AR can also be experienced on smartphones with AR apps and games, such as Pokemon Go, which use your phone's camera to track your surroundings and visually overlay additional information on top of it. How are AR and VR used in e-commerce? AR and VR are used in e-commerce to provide customers with a more realistic and engaging shopping experience. Some of the ways that AR and VR are used in e-commerce are virtual showrooms and fitting rooms. Customers can explore products from the comfort of their homes without having to visit a retail store. They can also try on clothes, accessories, or furniture and see how they look or fit in real life. For example, IKEA Place is an AR app that allows customers to place virtual furniture in their homes and see how it matches with their existing decor. Similarly, Warby Parker is an AR app that allows customers to try on different eyeglasses and see how they look on their faces. Virtual tours and simulations. Customers can experience different environments and scenarios that are related to the products or services they are interested in. They can also interact with the products and learn more about their features and capabilities. For example, Marriott Hotels is a VR app that allows customers to virtually visit different destinations and hotels around the world and book their stay. Similarly, Lowe's Holoroom is a VR app that allows customers to design their own home improvement projects and see how they would look in their homes. Social and gamified shopping. Customers can share their shopping experiences with their friends and family and get feedback and recommendations. They can also participate in games and challenges that reward them with discounts and coupons. For example, Sephora Virtual Artist is an AR app that allows customers to try on different makeup products and share their selfies with their friends. Similarly, Alibaba Buy Plus is a VR app that allows customers to shop in virtual malls and interact with other shoppers and sales assistants. What are the benefits and challenges of AR and VR in e-commerce? AR and VR in e-commerce have many benefits for both customers and retailers, such as increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. AR and VR can make shopping more fun, convenient, and personalized. Customers can enjoy a more immersive and interactive shopping experience that meets their needs and preferences. They can also reduce the risk of buying the wrong products or having unrealistic expectations. This can lead to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty, as well as lower returns and cart abandonment rates. Increased brand awareness and differentiation. AR and VR can help retailers stand out from the competition and attract more customers. They can showcase their products and services in a more innovative and appealing way. They can also create a stronger brand identity and reputation by offering unique and memorable shopping experiences. Reduced costs and increased sales. AR and VR can help retailers save money and increase revenue. They can reduce the need for physical stores, inventory, and staff. They can also reach more customers across different locations and markets. They can also increase the conversion rate and average order value by providing customers with more information, incentives, and confidence to buy. However, AR and VR in e-commerce also have some challenges such as technical limitations and costs. AR and VR require high-quality hardware and software to deliver a smooth and realistic experience. However, not all customers and retailers have access to such devices or platforms. Moreover, developing and maintaining AR and VR applications can be expensive and complex. There are also issues of compatibility, security, and privacy that need to be addressed. User adoption and behavior. AR and VR are still relatively new and unfamiliar technologies for many customers and retailers. There may be a lack of awareness, interest, or trust in using them. There may also be a learning curve or a resistance to change in adopting them. Moreover, there may be social and ethical implications of using AR and VR, such as the impact on human interaction, communication, and identity. Conclusion: AR and VR are transforming the e-commerce industry by creating new and immersive ways of shopping online. They can enhance the customer experience, increase brand awareness, reduce costs, and boost sales. However, they also have some technical, user, and social challenges that need to be overcome. As AR and VR become more accessible and powerful, e-commerce businesses and consumers will need to be aware of their implications and applications.